Good day and welcome to this little quick tip video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use keyboard shortcuts to get great screenshots. This is nothing new and it's been around for a while. You can find it on the forums and also on the Discord channel. Still, I see people asking about it, and for your convenience I thought I'd put together this little quick tip video. With these shortcuts you can make great screenshots like the one that you see, or this one, or this one, or this one. When you press Ctrl, Shift and I, it toggles the debug or fly camera. That's great if you want more of an aerial view. Ctrl, Shift and U toggles through all cameras. Press left Ctrl plus K and that takes a 4K screenshot with no UI. Press left Ctrl plus left Shift plus K to take a 4K screenshot with UI. Press left Ctrl plus right Shift plus K to take a 4K screenshot with the INWORLD UI. And lastly, here are the paths for Windows and Mac where you can find your footage. Although I have to say I work on Mac, and in my case the footage is directly under application support and not in a harebrained schemes folder. I don't know why that is, but you better be aware of it. Alright, I'm really looking forward to more great and creative images from you guys. I hope this was helpful and I thank you very much for watching.